Hey, 5th and 6th graders, Mrs. Fondre here. Today, we're starting a new project, and it's a little bit of a creativity challenge. So both 5th and 6th graders are doing this because I want to see what you can come up with, all right? In school, kids are doing clay ornaments or decorations, and they are turning a circle into something else. And I want to see what you can come up with. So if you want to do a clay dough or Play-Doh type thing at home, you could. The recipe for that is in another video, but that is a 1/4 cup water, flour, cornstarch, and salt. So if you want to do a 1/4 cup of all those things and mix it up to make your own kind of clay dough at home, you can. Or you can get a circle piece of paper or anything else that's circular that you could draw on, okay? And what I'm looking for is you to be able to transform this circle into something new. I don't want to give you too many ideas because I don't want you to just copy whatever I say. So I'll give you 2, okay? For example, you could turn this circle into an emoji face, okay? It could be a little person, like a little head, okay? So I don't want you to see that because I gave you that idea. The second one, okay, I'm going to give you one more idea. The second idea is maybe a pizza. Okay, you could draw lines and make a pizza out of this. But now you can't because I stole that idea. So I don't want to give you any more ideas because I don't want to keep stealing things from you because you've got to come up with something on your own. So maybe think of foods, activities, games, I don't know. And maybe do a quick Google of things that are circle shaped that you could turn this into. Okay. I'll be getting this assignment on Artsonia today, so it's not quite posted yet because we just started doing this week with kiddos, and we got they're doing clay, so it takes them a little longer. But I'll get this posted on Artsonia in the Google Classrooms pretty quickly today. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I'm looking for creative, thoughtful circle transformation. Okay, we're getting a little creative today with this project. So let me know if I can help you in any way. If you need supplies, help, advice, questions, please let me know. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy creating!